Are you getting away with something that will cost your estate later? Hi, I'm attorney Tiffany Powell, owner of Tiffany Powell and Associates located in the south suburbs of Chicago. And today I'd like to just highlight a few things that during your life you may ignore or maybe not think is too much of a big deal that can cause problems upon your death. Number one, unpaid debt. I know. Everybody's going to carry some level of debt. I do understand that. But what you don't realize is that upon your death, the debt collection agencies will be knocking on your family's doors. They will be asking for payment, and some families can even be confused or misled to believe that the family itself is responsible for your individual debt, which is not true. So rather than have your family be stressed out about debt, let us consider the fact that we can begin to handle them so your families won't be grieving you and dealing with debt collectors. Number two, unresolved marriages. I know that the statistics show that divorce rates are high, but did you also know there are a lot of people who've been separated for 10, 20, 30 years and never got around to getting a divorce? Did you also know that even if you have not seen your estranged spouse for 20 years, if you pass away, they could still be considered an heir in Illinois? And not just any kind of heir, 50% of your assets kind of heir. So I know divorce is not always a more welcome procedure, if you will, but you most certainly should think about resolving and tying up some of these loose ends so that your families don't have to deal with it upon your death. Last, but definitely not least, an issue that a lot of people think they're getting away with that can catch them later, really catch their estate later, is real estate exemptions you do not deserve. Consider this. You bought a house, you later decide you want a bigger house. And so you keep the first house, place a renter in it, and move to the bigger house. So now you are claiming exemptions on both properties as if you lived at both homes, and you don't. So that means for a while you may get away with it. They may give you the exemptions on both properties, only for you to pass away. The county wakes up and seek repayment of those exemptions you were never entitled to in the first place for your first home. Do you really want your family to be dealing with the loss of you and dealing with the county concerning real estate taxes that you know you should have been paying? Think about it. We really aren't getting away with anything. So let's make some adjustments. I'm attorney Tiffany Powell. I am the owner of Tiffany Powell and Associates, where we take the fight and the fear out of the legal process. We're here to help you so that you don't keep messing up with things that you think you're getting away with that will actually cost your family later.